Okay, and today we will be drawing a Chaos Emerald, so if you want to watch my other videos, one's called Kirby's Adventure, another one is called Kitty's Adventure, so you can make this any color of the Chaos Emerald. I'm going to make one, how about red? That little red circle that's coming on the outside, just don't draw that. It's a mess up for. But yeah. So that's basically a Chaos Emerald. If you want to make a Master Emerald, just make a bigger one green. So now I will make a yellow one now. So one is you could just draw one of these, but all different colors. So yeah. And this is a Chaos, and that is a Chaos Emerald. Goodbye.